Mauer's simple two-piece design brackets allows one person to easily choose from over 100 different settings to properly position all brands of headers. The lower portion of the bracket can be positioned in the high or low position in the lower setting, which provides 16 settings. By installing 2 pins, the lower portion can also be raised 2 inches, which will allow clearance for any linkages of the header to clear cross members of the transport. The Mauer top portion of the bracket can easily be adjusted by simply positioning the bracket where needed and installing 2 pins to lock into place. This Mauer bracket can be used 2 ways. Use the flat side or the pocket side can be used with heads equipped with a permanent parking stand found on some headers. To fit even more header brands and configurations, Mauer offers 2 additional top brackets, fitting over 100 heads, all done with one person. Positioning the header correctly onto the transport is priority 1 with Mauer. It's important to position the header on the transport to prevent damage to the header and provide safe operation during loading and towing the loaded transport. Headers with a sickle need to have the front skid shoes fully supported by the upper bar of the transport, while the rear is firmly settled into the lower brackets. Start by measuring from the front skis to the rear of the header and position the brackets as close to that measurement as possible. Corn heads need to have the skid shoes supported on the upper bar. Do not support the header with the stock rolls. Again, measure from the skid shoes to the rear of the header and position the brackets as close to that measurement as possible. Once the header is on the transport, back the combine away. If it's difficult to detach the header from the combine, raise or lower the lower bracket with the pins that come with the bracket. On some heads, you will position the adjustable brackets to support the head by placing the bracket to support the lower frame of the header. Some heads will require you to place the brackets to support the parking pad of the header. Others will be supported by the feeder house adapter on the head. For safety, all Mauer transports come standard with ratchet-style tie-downs. They can be used 2 ways. Each strap comes with a hook that can be attached to a proper location on the header, or use it as a sling style and wrap the upper feeder house opening. With over 100 positions of our brackets, one person can easily fit any style or brand header you may have.